funny movies.
Yeah.
Okay, so for this one, Mike, let's start our lesson. Okay, are you? Before I forget, how are you today?
I'm good today. I'm good.
Okay, so that's good to hear. So, how is the weather in your place right now?
Today weather is the rainy.
Rainy.
Uh,
So the weather is not good.
no, I think it's so good.
Oh, so for you, rainy weather is good.
Yes.
Me too. I like this kind of weather because I like sleeping when it's rainy. Okay, so for this one, let's start our lesson. Okay, so I will share my screen. Okay, so for this one, can you see my screen, Mike?
Okay, I see.
Can you see? Okay, so um, for this one, are you ready to start our lesson?
Yes.
Okay, so for this one, our lesson will be um, talk. Let's talk about a tall tale. Okay, so we have here. Do you know a story about a character who is very big or very small? Do you know some any story? So um, let's know this word first. Character. Do you know what does it mean by character?
I don't understand what is it mean
Okay,
character.
so yes. Okay, so for this one, character, it means a person in the okay. So character, a person in a movie, movie, play, or story. So just
Oh,
like you said that you like watching movies, right? So for this one, the person in the movie, they are the character. Okay? Do you understand now?
oh, yeah, I understand.
Okay, so for this one, can you answer the question? Do you know a story about a character who is very big or very small?
Uh, the character is very big.
Yes.
Name is The Rock. You
The Rock.
know? Yes, The Rock.
He is a fighter, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. So, okay. So for this one, we will know a story. We will know a story about this kind of very big and very small. But first, this one tail. Do, do you know what does it mean by tail? Tail. Do you know what does it mean? Tale, it means something, a story, something that is not true. That is not true. So that is tale. Okay?
Oh,
Okay,
yes.
Diane. Okay, so for this one, read and listen. Is the text fiction or non-fiction? So for this one, we have here a story, and after that, after we are going to read the story, you are going to tell me if the text is fiction or non-fiction. But first, I would like to ask you: do you know what does it mean by fiction?
How can you help me?
Okay, so fiction means just like tale. Just like they are the same meaning with a tale, a story that is imagination, nation, or something that is not true. Okay, so
Mm.
fiction is just like a tale, a story, or it's like an imagination. For example, I will tell you that last night I've seen a monster. So maybe it's just a fiction because you are not believing in monster. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, how about this one, non-fiction? So do you understand the word non-fiction? Non-fiction. Do you understand the word non-fiction?